number 7, he said find the value of n here such that a to the power n plus b to the power n divided by an minus 1 plus bn minus 1. This may be the geometric mean between two numbers, as this is what the geometric mean between two numbers an plus bn upon an minus 1 plus bn minus 1 is equal to under root ab. Now you just need to simplify this and you will get the value of n. So it is a simple algebra, that is a to the power 1 by 2 into b to the power 1 by 2 under root ab, root a root b, root means power 1 by 2. Cross multiply this here, so we got it an plus bn is equal to a to the power n minus 1 plus 1 by 2, base same, power will be at b to the power 1 by 2 plus a to the power 1 by 2 b to the power n minus 1 plus 1 by 2, base same of b, power we need to add, so we got it a n minus 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, b half, a half, b n minus half. Transpose this to this side, an minus an minus half b half plus bn, this will be negative to this side, plus bn, this one negative to this side, minus a half bn minus half is equal to 0. Now you see out of these two, an minus 1 by 2, see if we have suppose 3 and we have 3 number and we have suppose a to the power x to the power 3 and x to the power 2 and half, x to the power 3 and x to the power 2 and half means half less than 3. What we can take common? Obviously the less value we will take common, x cube plus x square, we will take x square common, x1 plus 1 will be left, x plus 1 will be left. Is this thing clear? Right? X square we can take common, here x and here 1 we can left. Then out of these two, x to the power 2 and half we can take common, less power, and x half will be here, 2 and half plus half will be 3 plus 1. Right? Same way this is n minus half. Here this is n minus half. So obviously a to the power half will be left. If we take n minus half common, a half will be left and here it is b half. Same way out of these two, if we take b n minus half common, n minus half, this is n minus half, b n minus half we are taking common, here it is b half minus a half according to this concept. Right? Now a half minus b half minus, this is just opposite. So if we are taking a half minus b half common, here it is left with a n minus 1 by 2, and this will be, now in that case this is b minus a, we are taking a minus b common, so this will be negative b n minus half is equal to 0. Right? Now you see a half minus b half is 0, that is a is equal to b, which is not possible as we got one geometric mean. So this is not possible, this factor will be equal to 0. A cannot be equal to b, so we got a n minus half minus b n minus half is equal to 0. A n minus half is equal to b n minus half. To simplify it, just cross multiply. We have power same, so we can write it a upon b to the power n minus half is equal to 1. If we cross multiply, we are left with 1. anything to find in parts, we need to make its base same. Its base must be same. So a upon b power n minus 1 by 2 is equal to, we can write a upon b to the power 0, 1. Any number to the power 0. So base is same. Now power will be same. So n minus half is 0. We got n is equal to 1 by 2. And that is what we need to find value of n. If this is the geometric mean between two numbers. Just note it down.